What's up, everybody? Chris from Integral Truck, and it is time for part 3 of the F-150 build. Well, let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I'm working with. All right, guys, quick recap. In part 1, we did the full box link panel there, which has got our bracket, our panel, all nice and secure on there, and it fits the half-size and full-size pack-out boxes. In part 2, we did the full bulkhead rail. Over there, we've got the slide and lock cleat. We've got a half panel. We've got a full panel. You can run 2 fulls and a half back there. They lock on either side, super secure, and obviously everything up till now is ridden under that tonneau cover just like we want it. Now on to part 3. We're gonna run the full rail on the passenger side. So we're gonna bolt on these brackets where the box links brackets go. Then we're gonna put this rail on, put some panels on, put a slide and lock on it, all kinds of cool stuff. All right, guys, for parts, we've got a full-size panel, we've got a half-size panel, we've got a full-length rail, we've got the box links brackets, so we're gonna take out the brackets that come from the factory and we're gonna put on the Integral Truck ones, and we got a whole host of hardware. You are gonna need a 13mm socket, a T30 Torx, and that's about it for this one. Let's go. All right, first off, let's get these factory box link panels out of the way. Using a T30. The factory box link brackets are going to be replaced with these units from Integral Truck. Now, this one here, this little T30 back here, you're going to need a long 1/4-inch extension or a driver like this to get to it. So we'll go ahead and get those put on. Next up, we'll put the rail in place and we'll thread in these long Allen bolts here. Just gotta put them in finger tight to begin with. With the rail installed, the possibilities are endless, but I'm gonna start out by putting one of the slide and lock cleats right in the center. There we go. All right, and just like before, we're gonna take a couple of these rail nuts and we're just gonna slide them into place. Sort of approximate locations. And we'll get the large panel ready to put on. Go right there. All right, guys, the full rail for the side of the F-150 is complete. I've got a full-size pack-out panel there with a full-size pack-out on it. I could also run 2 half-size on that panel if I wanted to. The slide and lock cleat is right there. I opted not to do another pack-out back there because I've already got several in the truck. Now, this rail is going to be super versatile. We've got all kinds of accessories coming for the rail kits, like bed dividers, toolboxes, universal locking systems, all kinds of stuff. So that rail is going to be absolutely instrumental. All right, guys, you've seen the installs. Now I want to give you a complete walkthrough of the F-150 build. So this is 21 through 25 F-150. This is the short box, and this is all the stuff that I put in it. On the driver's side, we've got the box link panel. So what it does is we've got a bracket that replaces the factory Ford box link and allows us to attach a panel to it. It attaches down low, it attaches up high. It's very secure, very strong. The lock for this one is right there on the side, right inside the truck bed. And as you can see, everything sits under the tonneau cover. You can run both a full-size pack-out box or 2 of the half-size on it. Right now, I just have 1 half-size on it to show it off. Let's move to the bulkhead. Now, the bulkhead, we did the full rail system on it and 3 pack-out panels, 2 of the large and 1 of the small. So theoretically, I can run 5 small pack-out boxes if I want to, or 2 large, 1 small, however I want to do it. I can also take a panel off and add the slide and lock cleat, which I've got right there. So all kinds of versatility with that full rail system. Finally, on the passenger side, I did the full integral rail and I ran a full-size pack-out panel right here at the rear, and of course, the slide and lock cleat right there. Now, once again, everything in here fits underneath the tonneau cover. You can see where it locks down in. I've got it folded up right now, but everything will sit underneath aftermarket and factory tonneau covers. Got the lock right here just inside the tailgate for the passenger side. And of course, we've got locks on either side, right down there, of the bulkhead rail. So everything can be secured. Look at how much room you still have in the bed. You want to throw a couple sheets of plywood in there? No problem, we got you. That's what we want to do. We want to keep everything organized. Keep it out of your cab. Keep it out of rolling around in the back. Your tools, your recovery gear, your electronics, whatever, doesn't matter. Just make sure you keep it uncluttered. And that's what we're here for. Integral Truck is your one-stop shop for your pickup to make it so it's well organized in that bed. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them below. Be glad to hear from you. Once again, box link panel on the driver's side. Full bulkhead rail on the bulkhead. Full integral rail on the passenger side. This has got everything. Lots of awesome stuff. And there's amazing stuff that we're working on right now. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. And like I said, if you guys have any questions, fire at will. Be glad to hear from you. But that's it for now. For Integral Truck, this is Chris signing off. Now get out there and play while the sun is shining.